Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go with the information. If x positive 6 over 3 equals to x positive 6 over 13, the value of x positive 6 is between which of the following pairs of values? Okay, so we have to find the value of x positive 6 and also we have to identify the pairs of values between which we have the value of this x positive 6. So for that, I have to solve the given equation over here. Okay, let me take the given equation and solve for x over here. So x positive 6 over 3 equals to x positive 6 over 13. Okay, to solve for x in this equation, what we need to do is we can do cross multiplication. That is, cross multiplication is a numerator over here has to be multiplied by this denominator, and the numerator over here has to be multiplied by this denominator. If it is possible, we can solve directly for x positive 6. Okay, now let's go with solving. So now I'm going to multiply the numerator on the left side, x positive 6, by the denominator 13 on the right side. Okay, then I'm getting 13 times x positive 6 equals to, now I'm going to multiply the numerator on the right side by the denominator on the left side. This method is called cross multiplication. That is 3 times x positive 6. Now we can distribute this 13 to this x and positive 6. When I do so, I'm getting 13x. When I distribute this 13 to 6, 13 times positive 6 is 78. And when I distribute this 3 to x, it's 3x. And when I distribute this 3 to positive 6, it will become 18. To simplify this equation further, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this 3x and positive 8 on the right side. For that, I subtract 3x from both sides. And also, I subtract 18 from both sides. When I do so, this positive 3x, negative 3x will cancel out. The same thing, positive 18, negative 18 will cancel out. When I combine 13x and negative 3x, I'm getting 10x. When I combine positive 78, negative 18, I'm getting positive 60 equals to 0. Okay, now, so here the coefficient of x is 10 and the constant number is 60. Both of them are multiples of 10. So if I divide the whole equation by 10, I think I'll have a chance to get the value of the expression x positive 6. Okay, let me divide everything by 10 in this equation. That is 10x over 10, 60 over 10, and 0 over 10. So this 10 will cancel out. Then I'm getting x positive. When I divide 60 by 10, I'm just getting 6 equals to 0 over 10 is 0. Now I got the value of the expression x positive 6. It is 0. Okay, now we have to check between which pairs of values we get the value 0. Okay, now let me take option A. So in option A, both of them are negative values, negative 7 and negative 3. There is no chance to get this value 0 between two negative values. Okay, so option A is incorrect. In option B, we get a positive value and negative value. So we get the value of x positive 6, that is 0 between this negative 2 and positive 2. So always we'll have 0 between a negative value and positive value, since one of the values is negative and the other value is positive. So definitely we'll have the value of x positive 6, that is 0 between this negative 2 and positive 2. So I'm pretty sure option B is correct. Anyways, we can verify the other two options also. In option C, we have two positive values, 2 and 7. There is no chance to get the value 0 between two positive values, so we can reject option C. The same reason for option D, we have two positive values. Between two positive values, it's not possible to get the value 0. So we get the value of x positive 6 as 0, and we get 0 between the negative value 2 and positive value 2. So the correct answer choice for this question is option B.